What's up guys, welcome to JJRC. Today I'm going to unbox funny RC models. Now it is made by JJRC from China, and this is a tractor models. Now let's unbox it. Here is the manuals, the tractor models. Wow, let's form. Wow. Transmitters, and I think there is nothing. Yes. The menus. Wow, the tractors has a lot of details. You can see the seats. Even though this is a plastic materials, but it looks like a leather. And even you can see this is the pickup. Wow. Sorry, there is a servos in here to control the turn left and right. And you can see when the wheels rotate, and this also rotates. Wow, there's also motors in the rear axles, so this is even a four-wheel drive. Oh my god. You know, the real tractors is only front-wheel drive. Oh, there is a spring here, spring suspensions, and I think there's no suspensions at the front. Let's see the tools here. First, let's see what it is. Oh, this must be here. Look at it, just like the crawlers. This is a tool. Wow. That's all about it. There's even a roof here. Let's see how to mount the roof. Oh, this is easy. To mount the roof, I think it must be here. Yes. Easy to mount the roofs here. Wow, let's look at the roofs. And what is this? Oh, I think to put here. Yes. Oh, you can rotate it. I know in my childhood, I see the tractors. When you want to turn up the tractors, you should do so fast. Oh, by the way, there is this. In the manual said, if you put some waters in here, this is a water plug. So when you put some waters in here, there is some smoke or some fogs from here, just like the real smokes. Oh, by the way, there's something you can move here. This is the brakes for the tractors, just like the bike's brakes. You can see here the brakes. Wow, you can even put it. So funny. By the way, where's the batteries? Oh, this is battery tray. At the bottom of the seat. Oh, let's look at there's on-off switch here. Wow, looks like the headlights turned on. So where is the plugs for the batteries? Wait a minute, I will see the manuals here. Oh, okay, I know. Move the roofs. Then we will see the batteries here. Wow. These batteries, cool. Just like the EVs. Well, let's look at it. The tractors, it also has the sound you can see, left, right. Wow, you can even see the smokes from here. The smokes. Wow, look at it. So funny. Left and right. Let's see the smoke speed. Fast. Slow. Let's see, this is a 4-wheel drive tractor. So cool. Left and right. I think it's not good for the crawlings, but only to have fun in the horizontal road here. So funny. Now, that's all about the unboxing of the tractors models. Thumbs up, subscribe, and make comments down below. And I will see you next time. Bye!